I think we found our hotel.
I think so.
Now that you can see. Is that it? Is it it?
That's the one.
Yay! Yeah, that looks epic. Today we depart Leipzig and take the nearly 3-hour drive to Bad Bruckenau in the Rhone Mountains in Bavaria. There we'll be staying at the Dorint Resort Spa hotel. So grab a coffee, sit back, relax and enjoy. It's atmospheric, yeah?
Very atmospheric.
It feels amazing.
Yeah. I feel like I'm practically in Switzerland.
Yeah, pretty much. We've got some hills here on the left. Some hills.
Some hills.
So we are 2 hours 5 minutes from Bad Bruckenau.
Yeah.
And you can't even see the signage. Look at this.
You can't read the signs.
Very atmospheric snow here.
It's very atmospheric. Driving through a forest and you just can't see because of the sleet.
It's misty, it's foggy.
Yeah.
Atmospheric.
0 degrees.
0 degrees, wow. It's like a very thick fog or...
I can't say that when I was planning the trip that I expected to have such conditions.
We haven't imagined it.
No.
I thought, yeah, it's gonna be like maybe low as 10, hoping for the best.
Yeah. But expecting the worst.
Well, we didn't actually expect the worst.
No.
But we're experiencing the worst weather, that is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, for us. I mean, it's not the worst weather yet.
We're entering another tunnel.
Yeah, wow, it's very long. Nearly 8 kilometers. Bye-bye. It's a piece of like a little Switzerland here.
I think it's just Switzerland here.
Okay, this is a short tunnel, only 1 kilometer.
It's a 1 kilometer tunnel.
1056 meters.
It's forest.
Dorint Resort Forest. It's beautiful scenery again.
It is. Very Swiss.
Very Swiss. I think we found our hotel.
I think so.
Now that you can see. Is that it? Is it it?
That's the one.
Yay! Yeah, that looks epic. Yep. Yay. We arrived. Yeah. Hi, we are in Bad-Brukkenau, in the Park Hotel, Bad-Brukkenau. We just arrived here and local time is around 6:30 p.m. So this is our room, which is pretty basic.
Pretty basic, as you'd expect from a 4-star, but the exterior of the hotel and the bar and all that looks pretty damn good.
Yeah, that's what we're here for, really.
Yeah, ultimately.
Yeah, it's pretty basic, really. Acceptable.
Acceptable.
Tidy. The furniture is a bit outdated, but yeah, I'm just a little bit irritated that we didn't get an upgrade.
Yeah, should have got an upgrade.
Hardly anyone around here.
Yeah, it's basically no one here tonight because it's midweek.
Yeah, and it's just our room is on level 1. I'm sure he could have given us a higher.
On level 2 or level 3.
Yeah.
But no such luck.
No such luck. He wasn't really welcoming.
No, he wasn't welcoming, sort of.
No.
You know, he was pretty miserable.
Yeah. So yeah, otherwise, I mean, it's a spacious room.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's spacious.
It'll do for one night.
Yeah, it's only one night, so we're just here for the farthest, really, and somewhere to stop over in between the cities.
That's right.
Yeah.
And it was an adventure getting here.
It was so dark. It was frosty, it was misty.
It had it all.
Windy in some spots.
It was pitch black.
Yeah.
Alright.
But Vic did awesomely, of course, as usual.
Yeah, we pulled it off.
He was a very safe driver.
We pulled it off.
And we even gone to Aldi and got supplies.
We even got to go to Aldi to grab supplies.
Well, much supplies, but you know, it's better more than less. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, it's 21st November 2018 and we're in this beautiful bar in the Grand Hotel, Dorint Park Hotel. It's actually not a Grand Hotel, but
well,
it
is a Grand Hotel.
Grand Hotel, yeah.
It is, back in the day.
Well, yeah, now it's only a 4-star, but
it still doesn't stop you from being a Grand Hotel.
It's got a potential.
It's got potential.
Yeah, so we're in this bar. Time is about 9 p.m. and the bar is unfortunately shut.
Yeah.
Yes, it's off season, so it's not many people around.
Yeah.
But we are going to head off to the restaurant and have drinks there. But it's very, very quiet and peaceful. It's like we're almost an hour on here.
Yeah, it's hardly see anyone. So we're going to head off for some drinks, and we might even see you over there as well.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we will. See you later, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi again, we're in the restaurant in the hotel, Park Hotel, Bad-Brukkenau. So this is a very, very nice room here. It would be nice actually to have dinner here, but we already had big lunch.
We did.
We were not that hungry. But we just came here to have drinks because the bar is deserted, so you can't actually have drinks in the bar. So we passed over in here.
It's pretty nice in here.
Yeah. So it's a few people here. It's a nice atmosphere.
It's a great atmosphere.
Yeah, we've just taken a few photos. And we just I'm having some German wine, which is pretty good.
Yeah, a Franconian wine.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. It was only $5.50, which is pretty reasonable.
Can't beat that. Great value.
Yeah. Yeah. So we enjoy German atmosphere.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's excellent.
It's excellent. Yeah. It's really, really nice room. And we're chilling. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, today is 22nd November 2018 and this is our one and only day in the Dorint Hotel, Dorint Park Hotel. So this is our breaking. Local time is around 10 AM. And it's very, very beautiful outside, so I can't wait to take pictures there. Yeah, so we're gonna enjoy our breaking. It's really nice atmosphere.
I think it's excellent.
Yeah, and we're gonna enjoy and talk to you soon. Bye. Hi, it's 22nd of November 2018 and we're in Bad-Brukkenau, the Dorint Park Hotel, which is an amazing grand hotel, and we're just next to it basically. This is the surroundings of the hotel. Yeah, it's pretty spectacular here. Oh, it's just amazing. You could easily stay a couple of nights here. They've got spa facilities and all sorts of beautiful views here. Yeah, you can just keep taking photos forever.
Yeah, it's just gorgeous. No matter which direction you look in, there's stuff happening.
Yeah, we've done some maintenance here. I think that the Christmas lights.
The Christmas lights on.
Yeah, it's really cool some here. Yeah, so you're about to see a hotel soon.
Yeah. Yeah.
And this is a hotel.
Oh, well, we were.
Yeah, that looks just super, super grand.
Certainly does.
Looks absolutely stunning.
Certainly does.
Yeah, it's not many people around, which is really good.
Yeah.
It's off season. But yeah, it's just so atmospheric in November here. In autumn, winter
Yeah.
sort of season. With snow, I could imagine it would be super cute as well.
Certainly would be.
Yeah. Yeah, so nice. So we've just taken a heap of photos here.
It's the cafe just there.
Yeah, yeah.
It's cute.
It's amazing, just like a hidden gem here, and we found it just by accident.
I certainly did.
We didn't know about it.
I was searching and I found.
And And we arrived last night in pitch black. We couldn't see the whole beauty of the thing.
Couldn't see a thing.
Yeah, we couldn't see anything. And now we see.
Now you see.
Spectacular.
Spectacular.
Yeah, so I'm just blown away with the views.